Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crochet here. If you're new to my channel, my name is Kimberly. Thank you so much for stopping by. I do hope you stick around and become a part of the fam. So guys, today I'll be doing some butterfly locks, and guys, this butterfly locks is from Toyotress. I'll be using their 12-inch butterfly locks in the color T118, and this is like a burgundy kind of color. This is like my first time ever doing butterfly locks in this color, and guys, I've done a lot of videos with Toyotress before. You can check those out, and if you want a detailed braiding pattern, like how I get this pattern, that makes sense though, but I'll list that on the screen and in the description so you can check that out to figure out, you know, how to get your braiding pattern done. Because once you have the braiding pattern done, the crocheting part is easy. You literally insert the needle, open the latch, put the crochet hair on it, close it, pull it through, and then you take the tip of the braid, of the lock, whatever, and push it through the loop and pull it, and that's it. Like, it's so easy. I was scared of crochet when I just started, but now it's easy. See that? Open it, insert the ends, and pull it through, and you're good to go. And guys, I didn't use rubber bands this time because the last crochet video I did the rubber bands to, you know, do the individual sections, and those were so tight and I had a hard time getting the locks through it. Even though the rubber bands make it way neater, I just like did some little braids and put it in the other braid and then just like braided it to the back. But I'll list the video that you can see how I do this pattern if you're interested. And yeah guys, so I'm just gonna be doing that all over my head, and in the front we'll have this individual look. That is why I do these individual little box braids, to give you that, so you'll have like an individual like lock look when in fact it is crochet. And then you can put the hair up in like a half up half down style. You can part it down the middle, on the side, and everything like that. And guys, this hair, I always love like Toyotress, their butterfly lock, but this one to me it seems a little thinner than previous ones that I've done. I don't know, maybe if it's because it's colored, but this one was like a little bit skinnier, but I didn't mind. It still turned out cute, and I'm literally going to just repeat the same crochet method all through the top, and once I get done with that, I'll just do the back. And guys, this video I have a detailed look of how I do like one of the braids down the back, how I get the crochet in, but this is what it's looking like. And I know the front is not looking like that neat or whatever because I didn't use the rubber bands, but I promise you it looks good when you're done. Oh, there it is. Because once you're done and you do your edges, it looks real neat. And guys, if you're doing this style, do not pull the braids real tight or make the rubber bands real tight, because in the end, when the locks go in and you have to like pull that knot in your head, it's going to be really tight and you're gonna have a headache. So for the back section, I literally insert the needle, but I inserted somewhat downward, so when I put the crochet in, it will fall. As you guys can see, I kind of put the needle downwards. You can pause it to look at it, but I put the needle downwards, then I add the crochet, I add the individual lock, and then I do that. And I use my finger and I measure like a finger width apart. You could even do 2 fingers if you feel like doing that, but I don't want my braids underneath to show, so I do a finger apart. And for me, that works, and it covers the entire back of my head and my hair doesn't look crazy. And remember, insert the crochet needle downwards. This will make the hair fall over the one that was above it, so you will not see the braids showing, because sometimes people do crochet and you literally see the braids in the back, and I don't like that. I don't want to be outside looking crazy, neither do I want you to be outside looking crazy. So if you do this, you can't go wrong. And then I literally just do like a finger width apart with each, and it falls and it covers it. And no, it's not heavy. This hair is very lightweight and it's not very itchy, because sometimes I do like some styles it's very itchy. This one isn't very itchy. So yeah, if you want to like wash the locks before using it, you can do that. I don't do that. I just use it straight out of the packet. But this is literally what it's looking like. I have 6 braids in the back, and I just do the same thing on each of them until it's filled and the back is covered. But yeah guys, this is a style, super easy, super simple. The links for the hair will be down in the description box, as well as the links to other crochet butterfly locks videos that are more detailed. I don't think every video I have to show you how to get the individual pattern because it's repetitive, but this is the finished look and I think it looks really good. I started late evening, so I got done in the night, but once you have your braiding pattern down, this doesn't take long. And yeah guys, I went to bed after this. I was supposed to come back the next day to show you all the finished product, but life happened and I wasn't able. So 3 days, well I think it's like 4 days later, I came back with my hair to show you, and this is what it looks like. I think it looks pretty good. And I went and I got baptized, guys, and my hair went under like ocean seawater or whatever, and it still looks good, so I feel like I did a good job. So this is the style 4 days later. So it does last. You can keep this style as long as you want, and it's a great way to grow your hair. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, girl, and I'll catch you in my next one. I love you guys so much. Be sure to leave me a comment too. I love when we talk in the comments. Bye guys. Mwah.